सो गाइस टुडे इज़ आवर लास्ट डे इन थिम्पू। तो अभी हम यहाँ से निकल रहे हैं। तो थिम्पू में उस दिन लीज़ा का बर्थडे था और हमारे गार्ड ने और रेमेडा होटल ने सरप्राइज़ लीज़ा के लिए एक बर्थडे केक का इंतज़ाम किया जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्वीट था। उसके बाद में हम लोग पुनेका के लिए निकल गए। पुनेका से साइट सीइंग करते हुए आज फिर हम लोग आगे फॉब्जिका वैली जाएंगे। फॉब्जिका वैली एक ऐसी वैली है जहाँ पे मोस्टली इंडियंस लोग नहीं जाते हैं, काफ़ी सारे फॉरेनर्स ही वहाँ पे जाते हैं। लेकिन हमारे गार्ड ने हमको सजेस्ट किया था और हमने भी थोड़ी रिसर्च की थी, तो मैं आपको फॉब्जिका वैली के बारे में बताऊंगी और साथ में पुनेका के अंदर हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं और थोड़ी सी आपको हिस्ट्री विस्ट्री भी अभी गाइड रास्ते में बताएंगे।
चलो हैदराबाद
कैंडल
Let's go. Go.
हैप्पी बर्थडे लीजा।
Happy birthday. ले of coming up with a new modernization life. They have been compensated because we have a migrating bird, black-necked crane. The black-necked crane is the migrating bird. So, in order to get safe of them, so they have been, government has been giving a very good compensations for them to have a very beautiful valley, which we can still see right now. So, let's. After 23 kilometers, we will stop at Dochula, where there is 108 stupa, which was built by one of the Queen Mother to dedicate His Majesty the Fourth King and his army after winning the victories from the southern parts. So if the weather permits, that is 3080 meters above the sea levels. If the weather is very clear, we can see a very good 7 high Himalayan mountain ranges from there. Let's hope for the best.
Yes.
What's the Thimphu height?
In the middle of the valley, there you can just do a fish massage if you happen to see the fish.
हाँ, अच्छी लगती है बहुत। हाँ हाँ।
And then we will just have a round of the valley tomorrow.
एक आप भी तो कुछ बोल रहे थे ना पत्थर वाला
flower season has been finished, but 1 month before the valley, to enter the valley, both side of the road is full of rhododendrons. But now the season has finished, but we will have a green big valleys because that's like sometimes it rains at night, so that time the daytime the valleys become so fresh and green. It's a traditional way of treatments of the nerves and joint pains. So people, they boil the stones, and then once it is boiled, they put it in the water, and then the minerals comes out from the stones. Then they put the herbal leaves, and then we will soak for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 10 minutes, 20 minutes like this, and all the pains, no joint pains, the nose pains, and normally the people with the knee pain and the back pains.
Where we can enjoy it.
Yeah, and you will enjoy the hot stone bath after hiking normally. In Paro, the people mostly they do the hiking, and in Dragonets, and after coming back from Dragonets, they do the hot stone bath, and some they do for massage. That time, that's very relaxing. And it can be possible in Paro. Gandhi, I don't think, because it has to be pre-ordered in farmhouse. Some farmhouse on the pre-order basis.
It up for us in Paro?
Paro, yes, sure. For
How
Paro,
much is the charge?
Charges, I think it will be like 1,500 per hit.
1,500
per hit. But you can soak as long as you can. And they will put the herbal leaves also. So who all are prepared for Dragoness pictures? But I will definitely we will have the good. Otherwise, let's do one thing. If you are not, if you all are not going to use any toilet and all, we are coming back again through this route only. Definitely, we will have a good weather. Right now, if you all want to just stop for the photo, we will spend for 5 minutes, but it's raining outside. So, what you want to do? I think should we process? Should we continue?
Yeah, we can.
I think it's better because those people who are staying here, they are going back.
Yes.
To Paro. So, but we still have a chance to come back. So, I think,
Okay, let's go.
because we don't want to delay ourselves. That's very beautiful. It's called Totula, and it's Tupa. And there's a cafe.
बच्चों लेफ्ट साइड वैली
And if
देखो.
the weather is very clear, the valley, it's you will see from here. You will see
the clouds.
108 just on top of this.
यार ये नहीं देखा तो क्या देखा?
अरे फिर आते हुए देख लेंगे.
We are preparing Ara. You know Ara, local wine?
Oh,
Local wine. We also have a cylinder, so we are preparing that from the red rice. So inside there's a distillation process. So once this gets a little hot, we change, put a cold water there, so that it contains a lot of gas. You know, I think you also have same. So we are preparing that.
And this
These were traditional, the chula, the old. So sometimes when people are there, sometimes in the dinner time, whatever. So if the people want to see how we are using traditional.
can we have dal? Can you cook dal for us in this?
We will take little time, madam. Yes.
We'll come after 2 hours. Now you can make it.
So it's for this one.
It's very beautiful.
Yes.
And what is this?
This is for container, just for
Oh.
water. Yes, sir. Yes.
Is it made of like any tree?
You know, gourd, like a bitter gourd.
Okay, bitter gourd.
Bitter gourd. Oh, we have a bitter gourd vegetable. We also there's a plant called gourd. So it's a fruit from there.
जैसे वो घिया तोरी होती है ना उसी तरह का gourd है कोई.
It's a very traditional. You can very organic, very
सही है.
like a copper, whatever maybe toxin can. It's just a small part. If you are
You
curious
also
about
have this type of
yeah,
at home.
yes.
What do you call this?
This one is
We call it dagra.
we call picha.
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 We call it
for-
dagra.
ये तो अपने असम में भी होता है ना.
हाँ. राजस्थान में होता है मम्मी.
तो गाइज़ अभी जो भी आपने सुना था वो सारा जो गाइड है वो पूरा बता रहा था कि जैसे हम थिम्पू से निकले तो पुनेका के अंदर हम रुकेंगे. मोस्टली लोग पुनेका के अंदर स्टे करते हैं. हम सिर्फ साइट सीन करेंगे. साइट सीन करने के बाद में हम फॉपजिका वैली के लिए निकल जाएंगे. तो हॉट स्टोन बाथ वगैरह के बारे में वो डिटेल में बता रहे थे. उसके बाद में ये पुनेका हम लोग जब पहुँचे तो ये उसका रास्ता है. पुनेका जो है वो पहले कैपिटल थी भूटान की और उसके बाद में थिम्पू कैपिटल हो गई भूटान की. लेकिन पुनेका के अंदर अभी भी एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे राजा रानी की जो एनिवर्सरी होती है वो सेलिब्रेट होती है, उनकी शादी सेलिब्रेट होती है. तो पुनेका अभी भी भूटान के अंदर बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लेस है और पुनेका के अंदर लोग विज़िट करते ही हैं जब वो भूटान विज़िट करते हैं. तो उनका जो वो मेमोरेबल प्लेस है जहाँ पे कि पहले वो अभी भी मतलब वहाँ पे ऐसा होता है कि राजा रानी के जितने भी मेन इवेंट्स होते हैं वो सारे पुनेका के अंदर ही होते हैं. और जब बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड पड़ती है तो थिम्पू की जगह पुनेका को ये लोग वो बना देते हैं कि जो पुनेका है वो इसकी कैपिटल है फॉर 1 मंथ. ये वो जगह है जहाँ पे राजा रानी की शादी होती है और सारे अच्छे इवेंट्स होते हैं. तो अभी हम वहाँ पे जाएंगे. अभी ये सिर्फ हमें दूर से दिखा रहे हैं और यहाँ पे हम खाली फ़ोटोज़ वगैरह काफ़ी सारी खिंचाएंगे. और ये बहुत ही अच्छे व्यू हैं यार. भूटान की ब्यूटी तो सच में अनटच्ड है.
Bhutan government is also signed.
Treaties.
सेटलमेंट्स होते हैं.
ये कहाँ है, क्या जगह है
ये पुनाखा जोंग.
यहाँ पे शादी होती है उनकी.
पुनाखा हमारे बड़े कॉफी की बड़ी है. स्नान करते हैं स्नान.
मधुमक्खी के छत्ते.
is shown in this courtyard. And then there's a big wall. You will see later on when you reach nearby, there's a pulley. So the big Khalkha of the Shabdrung Ngawang Namgyal, who built this dome, who is very important in the history of Bhutan, and who has unified the Bhutan. So his portions will be just posted on this big pulley here in Punakha, and then during the annual festivals, so everybody will get a blessing there. So this is where the festival happens, in this courtyard. Next we have another courtyard, and I'll tell you another interesting story, where not only the people who had donated and who had contributed the helping hands, and then those who have nothing to donate, they have voluntarily themselves to construct during the constructions, and even the local deities have helped in any other ways, like the Nagas, no, they are helping the stones, and the other local deities, they have helped the woods which has been sent it through the river Mail. So it was all stuck in the whirlpool there, and the Shabdrung Ngawang Namgyal thought he has not accepted what he has agreed. So later it was found it's all stuck there in the whirlpool. But tree has reached to the place where the dome has been built right now. And that three long pillar can be seen inside when we go inside. Okay? So the government offices are all around here.
These all are government office. राजा रानी की शादी कहाँ हुई थी?
One of the bikers on the stupa in the Hadochola, where there is 108 stupa. So actually, the Indian guy, in those days they don't need guide also. So he didn't know that. He didn't do proposal. Yeah. But it was spread all over the news, all over Bhutan. It went so viral. So that's why the Indian tourists, yeah. So none of the guests is allowed to travel without a guide, because they don't know
how to behave.
Do's and don'ts of the Bhutan. Like you said on the stupa, no? Which you have not done it intentionally. But we were just explaining.
It's not allowed?
Right. Not allowed. It's not allowed. It's a pap lag jayega.
Cannot do.
Actually, the stupa represents Buddha. The image of the Buddha. The old people, young people will go around to gain the merit.
As like Shiva, जैसे शिवा हमारे जो शिव जी हैं उनकी फोटो भी है, और जो शिवलिंग है वो उनको रिप्रेजेंट करता है, मे भी वैसा.
So the stupa in Bhutan also, we respect and we teach that stupa, not only the image made it from the structure of some woods and all. We have the in stupa also, inside they put all the mantras, which is like as good as the life of the persons, no? If the person doesn't have a life, and it's just a body, and the body is just a flesh, no? The same thing. So it represents, and then they have a layer also. So each layer has their reasons. Earth, heaven, like this. So this pulley, all festivals shown here. Just from this pulley, because it's easier for them to post and easier for them to. That's why they have market, no? Like this is where the tourists can just stay.
राजा रानी की शादी कहाँ हुई थी?
हम देखा देगा.
From the King 1 to King 5, सबकी शादी नहीं हुई थी.
It's closed for the tourists, but it will be.
You nobody can stand after food.
No, only the scents.
Especially the ladies. No?
Why?
The monks can stay there. Monks are not allowed to get there. Monks cannot mingle to monks cannot.
No, by our tourists not allowed.
I didn't say tourists not allowed. Tourists is allowed, but after 4, the 5 is not. They will close the ticket counter. So they will finish. They have to finish within 5. So 5 is closed. So everything happens, no? And some tourists, they were just watching and making video, and then went viral. So that's why it's restricted by them.
ऊपर क्यों नहीं जाने दे रहे, क्या बताया?
वो किसी टूरिस्ट ने ना वो वीडियो बनाया और उसको वायरल कर दिया।
So इधर का किंग का पैलेस अच्छे से देख सकते हैं। Oh, whenever he visits Kolkata, he has his small house. So that is covered with nothing, but you can see the wall. It will be seen properly from there. It's half wall is here. See, this is the king's palace when he visits Kolkata. It's where he stays. देखो देखो चीज।
सिंपल हाउस में बेटा बहुत सिंपल तरीके से रहते हैं आज मैं दूसरा
That used to be a hotel.
ले लिया सोन। हाँ लो।
मे बी ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस अरे अलाउड हो।
कैमरा है नहीं। फोटो
पुनेका का वो साइट सीन देखने के बाद में हम लोगों ने पुनेका के अंदर ही एक जगह फाइंड आउट की जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने खाना खाया, और यहाँ का खाना बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेस्टी था। जबकि इन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगाया था, सीरियसली इन्होंने कुकिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगाया था, लेकिन खाना काफ़ी ज़्यादा टेस्टी था। उसके बाद में हम पुनेका से निकल गए और हम वहाँ पे आ गए फॉबजिका वैली के अंदर। इसके पूरा का पूरा जो फॉबजिका वैली के अंदर हमारे जो ये रिज़ॉर्ट है, इसका जो टूर है बेसिकली वो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर दूंगी। लेकिन आप इसका ये व्यू देख सकते हो गाइस, ये हमारा रूम है सामने और ये इसका व्यू है।